hindi sa klaro di kayo ginaw.
Ano to mga?
Ano? Hindi ko makita.
Nakalimutan ko na sa rin.
Nabali ni mo siya.
Wala, robog ba yun? Muna. Muna.
Di mo 11 taday.
Nada. Napoy sa likod. Okay. Mana yung sunoban?
Dili, KTR. Video kay gikuhaan mi og gamit.
Si Pino, ini kung sa kita po din sa utod na ay ang ating terengkuan. Sa ako kalipay, agad yung pinasabi niya, agad yung baser. Grabe, nakita ko sa ang kwartahan. Once ka dito ka sa kayo sa tuban, kapangan burn na masunod.
Salita pa talaga. Salita pa talaga. Uto lang ini na
Oo eh.
yung kamang-kamang bitaw sa may ito.
Pili naka-MPD ay.
Pulmiga.
Pili naka. No?
Ito ay dami ay kita.
Mura lagi gabog sa
Bakit mas makakuan? Ako nga.
Go plastic na eh. Pwede ka na eh.
Buwa ka sa market ni bagong kita.
Reklamo dahil upas na. ba si sister kay fresh?
Yes, like, you know, guys.
Woke up like this.
Okay, ano na, sister? Lisa ka? Do.
Jake. Jake and David Walia.
Nabdus mo ka, day.
Yung nga, nabdos.
Palina na, day.
Lipong di ka day? Lipong. Uy, buang.
Tama na.
Parong ko eh.
Guys, I look like shit. Look at my top. Go kay siya.
Naglama. Lama boy.
We're going to 7-Eleven, which is it's pila ka kilometers from here.
5.
1 kilometer.
3? 3.5?
Guys, bago pa min ako manog sa among kuan guys session, nag-crave ko og ice cream. And I'm very grateful to have these people with me, supporting me with all my cravings. Pero,
Nagputol na din yung ulak ka.
guys, nami quiz tomorrow at 5 p.m. Evolutionary Biology with Sir Darius. And we still haven't even read everything, the content of the lectures. 2 lectures na yung kuan. Ang sana, ang coverage. Oh, these are my friends. As if naman ako ang phone.
Nawala ko tingo.
First, lagi daw kain ng dalawa.
Picture na ako sa babaw.
Baka sinpitin di bro.
Tayo, wala ka na.
Kasula sa to eh.
Inigawan niya na, nagtapan.
Bye. Bye guys. See you at 7-Eleven. Wala, 7-Eleven. 11-11. 11-11.
Marong 11-11. Kadunggi ko sa 11-11.
Forever!
Tanawa lang ni sa YouTube, ha?
Amo ka na wala sa YouTube kaya ang papa ni sister.
Ganahan na ba siya mata natin?
Oh, sige na sa
Hi daddy.
Guys,
Mga kauban ka tinigan na, sister.
gidagit na dahil mo ba?
Latakan na.
Hello guys.
Hindi mo bike ang phone.
Oh, kalami ba na?
Si Jake do kay kuan siya day kanalamion.
Hello. Hello Viscans. We're back. Did you miss us? Because we miss you. So we're here.
Kaway ni gusto.
Kaya sa main gate. Yippee.
Amo na i-meet up si Brother John.
Yes.
Yes.
Ang my boyfriend.
Amo na kawaon ang among usa ka kuan, brother. No, gikulong na siya ta.
Hala, cute lagi to. Lagi. Duham sa kabo. May ba POV nila ba?
Kita na kong puti sa mata. Hi
At
guys.
least na makita. Mukha tarata na. Tatay, uy.
Kita ang gati. Isa-isa guys.
Sus kay mo 5 ang square.
Tingog-tingog po dira, oy. Nag-vlog ni mo raman ni.
Mo vlog di man mo tingog.
Ipasa sa POV.
Ko na pud oh. Bako.
Sa Diyos ko man na.
Di man maarang sa
Maarang sa
skin.
Facebook.
No, ijahan siya now. Di siya ma-share ni Sam.
Bubo man, oh.
Di masigo. Dako kayo.
Twisted. Anong feeling na may katarata sa mata?
Mo mag-iro nga kuan.
Dahil mo.
Uy, gipulit ko din.
Naka-video yun, guys.
Guys, it's what time is it? It's 1:19 a.m.
137.
1:37? It's 1:37 a.m. And we're still here outside. outside walking. Wala rin mga teenager guys yung naglakwat siya.
Deprived kayo ito. Ito ng freedom. Hindi man yung jati ni. Hindi si Dai POV sa mukha to. Ay, nung una mga tulay. Ay, bukay lang kasi tag-iya.
Guys, i-landscape. Hi guys. Gisingot na ko.
May basing Colgar na siya Dai.
So, me and my friends, we're on our way to 7-Eleven because we're out to have some midnight snacks after we basically had some sort of celebration for finishing our thesis, and we're here with Caesar and Diana and Janet, David, Dave. We have Jake, Joshua, and of course Brother John. So our group is currently not complete at the moment because, well, Jerick, Hart, and Dinah are they stayed at the boarding house because, well, Jerick is basically there to act as a safeguard. So with that, the class of 2026 comes to an end. Good night.
Dai, gunita lang na mo, Dai.
David, na nakabutang stop daw.
Ayun nga isakap.
Gunita yan, ito kay para sim na, oh.
Itabangan na ganito.
May last Jake, anak, Dai. Pagkita, Dai.
Makabukaat.
Ay, napay na, Dai, siya. Para inyo na bukat. Ba't tayo ang iPhone, no? Ang cellphone?
Stop naman to. Hello po.
Look, grabe naman pagka.
Mura mo, Tito, ano eh?
Tay, kung kamo mag-ubang ni JM, ikaw si maawaw ni David. Yuhuu! Wala si sister.
Dai, kawang na kang brother dyan.
Talent at
Nautot eh.
We're approaching market. And I'm sweating profusely, and we are halfway there, and I'm already soaking wet. Look. But this is our dinosaur. Her name is Janet. So yeah. Hi guys. So ngayon punta kami doon sa 7-Eleven. Huy, David. Labi mga balay dress kilid.
Lubatan si Jake, Dai.
Ma-report kita, Day.
Nihuot iya sando.
report na mag-andam sa mo pa. Andam sa mga statement ha.
Mag-report.
Sayaw ni Jake, Dai. Ito sayaw ni Jake.
Wala dahil po.
And this group of people, they are basically the reason why college life became bearable, and well, basically the reason also why we are now finishing our degree, because finishing college really takes a village, and I'm grateful that I found this kind of people that support you through your ups and most especially during your downs. So yeah, we're officially at the market here in VSU. where
Mani butang sakuan ni
just a piece of advice. Yo. Yeah, they threw beetle at me. I think that was a beetle. A piece of advice for the upcoming biology students. Enjoy, I guess. And if you don't have a passion for biology or science in itself, I suggest that you start finding or creating your passion for it, because you really need to have that in order to survive biology. Wow, I'm soaking wet. I'm sweating a lot. So, also a piece of advice for our younger batch, I guess, is to find yourself a group. Not just any group, but a group that will help you become more and, you know, to grow, because that's the most important thing in college. Finding growth. It may not be consistent, it may not be the same every day, but the most important thing is that you finish college and at the same time you grow as a person. And now we're here at the police station. So yeah, well, I'm sweating profusely, and make sure it's damp now. Yes, money. And look at this. This is the car that was crashed at Gabas. Yeah, last week I think. We're now at the police station. We're almost there. No.
Oh,
This is Jade. He is the smart one of the group. And
No, if na smart din kasi Sunny, no?
and this
Well,
is
smart din sa bull.
Ikaw ang complete package. Sunny
May makita
is
na-
telling you the fakeness. Sunny is the one who is smart, handsome, yummy, all package.
oh, you can see anything. You can't see my face because I'm dark. I'm dark skinned.
Uy, wala ka yan na. Yung picture na tayo mo.
Can you hear those laughter? Yeah, I'm gonna miss that. That's the sound that I will miss a year from now.
Kaya guman. Ayun ka na kuan, di ka na tutungon, di ka na laban. Ice cream. Ito one time, no?
This is like, you know, going out at around 1 or 2 or 3 in the morning. It's like, it's a normal thing for us. It's a usual thing, especially during or after our thesis for the night. We go out and we either go home directly or we stop by. I mean, not really stop by because it's the opposite direction, but we go usually to 7-Eleven to get some refreshments. And yeah, we are now approaching the bridge of Barangay Guadalupe.
Uy, mga uban to din siya, kayo 24. Ano naman, hindi naman mga un. Asa na yung mga 10 masugod, mga 12. 12:30 daw, minsan sa TLM.
And well, tomorrow morning we are planning to go to, I think, the Pangasugan River and, you know, enjoy ourselves there. Because these past few weeks it's been so stressful for us. Oh, just a piece of information. Dave is a ecology major, and John Michael, Jake, Diana, Joshua, Jerick, and I, we're all zoology majors, and Hart and Dinah Faith, they are both botany majors, and sister Hannah Joy, she is an ecology major as well. So, well, look at that, I'm full of sweat. You're now here at the Barangay Guadalupe.
Kanang sa una pagkabaran niya kay tama siya into church man.
We are now in Lagu-Lagu Bridge. I just saw a shooting star. Wow, I just saw a shooting star. That was amazing. Na shooting star dito David. Kita ko. Kita mo shooting star guys? Yeah. It was amazing. My God, I just made a wish that we will all be successful one day. And now we are officially at the entrance of Barangay Guadalupe. We're only like a few meters away from 7-Eleven. My God, I'm gonna catch my breath after this.
Di man to diri ah.
Nato man sa bus.
Sa bus na to.
So, oh my God, there's a dog. Oh my God, it's a dog. I'm scared of dogs. I mean, I love dogs, but I'm scared of them.
What? Entrance only above. Okay.
And that is Joshua.
Nangita ko sa black dugo.
He is Lady's partner.
It's got a black dog.
Wala kay padung.
He is our chef. Yeah, he cooks meal for us, and he makes sure that we are well fed. And this is the one I'm talking about earlier. This is Jake.
He's soon to
He
be
is
kaaway.
our model.
Model.
Yeah, he is very photogenic.
Over na siya kaya siya ang Mr.
No.
BC. Wag ako.
He is very photogenic, and he knows how to dress up well.
Ligon man santa.
Yan. Okay, so the Mac.
His shirt now has
Kung
stings.
sa Olimpiado, ingana po siya kada Mac.
Dili start kay kung dito na ko gakson mga tagak ang
And
Arasan pa jud.
wait, like in a few
Ano,
meters,
insecure.
we'll reach 7-Eleven.
Sana maulit na lang ta uy.
Maulit na lang ta ba? Mag-close na nagbagyo. Isa? Mag-close na nagbagyo.
Di ay mag-close lang kung magbagyo.
Sana magayon ng panahon ba? Mag-close na.
And ari wala ka tinsel no.
So look at that, we arrived. We have arrived at our destination. We're now at 7-Eleven. We're now at our destination and ta-da! 7-Eleven. And I'm gonna cut this video because I'm going to give the phone back to Diana.
Sunny.
Apa si Tiny? What?
Pili mo na sa natin.
Ay.
Pili mo tayo. Nagayo siya gabi. Ipo ka ko siya lang nakaparang sa akin.
Kasi nagdagbag. Jake Andy. Play.
Six petals. Dugay na ko sig pinangita. Karon po ko kita. Kung karon sa tang last day sa ako viewing. Oh my gosh. Is this a good sign? Like, nakita na lang ako siya randomly. House of flowers.
Tag-10. Ayan, last man. Pag-laro, pag-sa kay Pili. Dagot. Sige nga. Fun bash.
Pila yung magibayad, bay?
Dorno. Madama.
Pila yung magibayad, bay?
Pwede naman kinamot yun. Ang importante kay serving spoon na.
Ano, sa katubig? Nita, oy! Malabay magbato ni si Johnny. Buha, oy.
Hinahinay dahil basta mas-slide ka dahil. Dahil pag hinahinay dahil.
Suga ron, eh. Gimbal. Susuga, oy. Nangiti ko ba? Sipi.
Ito, dili kayo sa mga hikapan dila sa akin. Nakuha mo sa pansat. Pansat.
Kailangan na siguro dyan, Day. Bigay na na.
Pagtuloy dito. Wala lagi tugnunan na dahil.
Siguro dyan.
Tugnunan. Tugnunan nila. Ang bigat tugnunan.
Hoy, gapuhan mo, Jake Andy.
Ako na ka ng puti nila ay. Ako naman! Hindi naman masakto niya. Ano naman ako? Tagaw ni, pasikata daw ni.
David.
May pakita mo sila.
Sunny! Sunny!
Nakiting na siya. Nagkisis ko.
Balik! Smile! Sunny! Smile! Sunny!
Sige mo din.
Yan na, nasa ito na mako.
Ayaw ko na!
Ah, nanay lang.
John Michael. Iyan na best.
Langoy!
Michael. Di ba sister? Ano yung mga best?
Ah, sister! Hi!
Hoy!
Ang saan? Ah.